So I just jumped on real quick to show you my infinity braid. I just got done maybe 20 minutes ago. It took me about 3 hours because I kept getting stuck on which direction to go with the braid, but here we are. But of course, one side gonna come out better than the other because I am right-handed and it's easier for me to braid on this side of my head. So. Also braid in the back right in the middle is kind of wonky, but like I said, I did it on myself and I'm very proud of it. This braid right here is like sitting right on my ear, but whatever, I ain't doing nothing with it. I'm gonna leave it. It kind of slick, baby. I don't know nothing about the soapy swoop and all of that stuff. Not that I really care to. I think it'll cute still. Period. So let me know what y'all think for the first time I'm doing this infinity braid. I saw it and just fell in love with it. And the fact that I did it on myself. Let me know. Oh, this is making my ear look so weird. Whatever. Can't be perfect. It's only a little something. Let me know what y'all think about my braid. Bye.